part 4 of our HTML. In this video, we'll learn how to create an unordered list. In part 3 of this HTML video, we have seen how to create an ordered list, and in this video we will be creating an unordered list. So first I should mention what is an unordered list. Unordered list is a list of items which is not arranged in a specified manner. So let's start how to create this unordered list. Open your notepad. Today I am showing you how to write comment first. So you just start with this brace and then put a exclamation sign, and here you will write your comment. This comment will not be read by your web browser. So here you can type anything. So this will not be read by the web browser. This comment is used only for the user to know for what the program is being made. Now let's start our HTML program. I am writing title. I am using body tag also. So let's write something in the body tag. So whatever you will write in the body tag, it will be displayed in the web page. Now I am going to create unordered list. Unordered list starts with UL tag. So UL represents unordered list. So let's start the UL tag. Again I am giving list item as LI. Here I am going to write the name of colors. So just start with. So closing LI is not mandatory, but it is a good practice to close LI tag. Insert next list item. So you can see here I have inserted 5 items in the list, green, red, orange, white and blue. So now I'll close my unordered list and then closing this HTML tag. The whole program of creation of unordered list. Here I have used title tag and body tag also. Now let's save this. I am saving this with ul.html. Now you can see here in the desktop ul.html has been created. Now just double click on this. Let's see what the web browser is showing. This is the title of our program, unordered list. Here you can see the title is here displayed. So this is what is in the body is displayed in the web page, and this is the content of our unordered list. This 5 items is there. So there is no numbering as we have seen in a ordered list. So this is having bullets as its numbers. So unordered list doesn't specify the list item. It is in unspecified manner. It is taking bullets to arrange the item in the list. So I want to change the bullet to some other type. So we'll use this type attribute. So write type and under double quote write here square. Save this program. Go to Internet Explorer and then refresh. What you got? See here. This filled square is now visible. Okay, so this is another attribute of type. Now I am changing this as circle. Save this program. Here you can see circle is visible. Now if you write here disk is written, another type attribute. So save this. See, disk is formed in place of circle. So these are the 3 types of type attribute. First one is disc, which is the default type, another one is circle, and third one is square. So these are the three type of bullets in the unordered list. So this is how we create an unordered list. I hope the concept is very clear to you all. Thank you all.